2012 Toyota Sienna, how to do rear brake pads. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this bolt here. This is a 14, and also one on the top. Just like that. We're gonna remove both bolts. And once we have both the bolts out, we're gonna pull this caliper off. These brakes are done to the dust. All right, so those are the brakes. See these sensors? There's rubbing. If you have that noise, you have bad sensors. I'm sorry, bad brake pads. So we have new brake pads. Alright, so we have new brake pads. It comes with the little clips. If you have these clips, they go on the top of the brake pads just like that. This one on this side, that one on the other side. And once you have that in, you're gonna take the brake pads. You're gonna slide in the brake pads. Customer brought these. They're missing half the hardware kit. And after that, we take our piston compress tool. What we're gonna do is we're gonna compress that piston in there. Usually you can put a brake pad in there, but this piston is just as big as the tool. So you take the piston, you compress it in. Once you have that in, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the caliper and put it back in this place. And take the caliper. Then you take your number 14. And then you take the other 14. Yeah. And then you tighten both of the 14s. And that's it, you're done. That's how you do brakes on a 2012 Toyota Sienna.